Hey, let me tell you a little quick secret about customer satisfaction. Good isn't good enough. 86% of customers who went over to the competition said they were satisfied with the old service. Satisfied means almost nothing. A lot of times in these courses they talk about customer satisfaction. When I say satisfaction, I want you to think outstanding satisfaction. Because when somebody's satisfied, they're like, wasn't great, wasn't bad, you're what? Satisfied. This is lukewarm service. 86% of customers who went to the competition said they were satisfied with the old service. Good is not good enough. We have to give great, we have to give outstanding customer experiences. It has to be super. You want the wow factor. We don't want them just to be satisfied. We want them to be happy. We want them to be ecstatic. We want them to have a wow factor. We want them to tell stories about the kind of customer service that they got. We want them to be impressed with our customer service. Remember, has to be super. Great customer service has to be the core of your business, not an afterthought. The sales, the referrals, the retentions, they're all going to depend on great customer service. You can do a lot of things wrong in your business, and if you have a great customer service, you have a great customer experience, they're going to stay with you. They're going to forgive a lot of mistakes. They're going to be more price elastic. They're willing to pay more. They're going to bring more people to you. You can win and win and win again if you give the customer a great customer experience. Crucial question you have to answer. Why did the customer leave? How did I lose a customer? Well, in the literature, here's the answers that respondents gave. 73% of people cited rude staff as the issue. Rude staff. So not only are they not satisfied, they were offended. 55% cited issues that weren't resolved in a timely manner. We don't want 55% of our customers leaving just because we can't solve things quickly enough. So we're going to work on both these issues as we go through these trainings, and these statistics will no longer apply to you. The great thing is they'll still apply to your competition. So, how serious is customer service? I love this quote by Dr. John Weary from the Parent Institute. He says, every institution exists at the will of the people. And if the people are not satisfied, there is no guarantee it will continue. This is how serious customer service is. It's literally a matter of survival. Your very existence depends upon it.